Imagine a world where every object you touch seems to anticipate your next move, where technology doesn't just serve, it adapts, responds, and transforms the ordinary into something extraordinary. Today, we step into that world. The gadgets you are about to witness are not just tools. They are companions, portals to experiences you never thought possible. From the subtle whisper of innovation to the roar of engineered perfection, the future is already in your hands. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead. Only here on Gadget Guru. Magmo Call Recorder. Picture this. You're rushing to catch a taxi or bus. Someone urgently shares crucial information and you fumble to write it down. Enter the Magmo Call Recorder. Tiny, discreet, yet incredibly precise. It clips to the back of your phone. A simple slide of the button captures every word with crystal clarity, regardless of background noise. HoloRide Retrofit in-car VR device. Now, imagine your daily commute transformed into a virtual adventure. The HoloRide. Retrofit device takes your car, any car, and turns it into a motion-synced VR cockpit. As your car accelerates or turns, your VR headset mirrors every movement. Streets become canyons, highways become cosmic highways, and mundane travel transforms into immersive exploration. With a subscription, exclusive content, games, learning experiences, meditative journeys, opens a portal to worlds beyond the asphalt, blending reality and imagination seamlessly. Ambassador headphones. Language long a barrier between humans melts away with Ambassador. Converse, lecture, or listen. The app translates in real time, enabling fluid communication across cultures. Informal speech, casual conversations, even lectures are captured with surprising accuracy. Though rapid speech can challenge the system, it remains a revolutionary bridge, turning hesitation into connection. In a world shrinking with globalization, Ambassador speaks fluently what we often cannot. Soothing Diffuser. Back home, ambiance meets innovation. This diffuser doesn't just humidify the air, it radiates serenity. Pour water, add fragrance, and the device glows with warm yellow light. Use it as a nightlight, and the space transforms into a haven. Automatic shutoff ensures safety when water runs low, merging functionality and elegance. Relaxation is no longer passive, it becomes active, infused with technology. Shift Cam Snap. Grip content creators, rejoice. The Shift Cam Snap Grip is a magnetic, versatile companion that turns any smartphone into a powerful creative studio. Landscape or portrait, it rotates 180 degrees, holds securely on flat surfaces, and even doubles as a portable battery with its 3200 mAh power bank. Record videos, attend calls, or watch tutorials effortlessly. Combined with additional accessories, the Snap Grip ensures every shot, every angle, every moment is captured perfectly. Basis refreshing. Fan summer office heat or a stuffy room is no match. Clip the bladeless. Basis refreshing fan to your monitor or workspace. Adjustable 12-inch airflow, 60-degree pivoting, and child-safe design transform the ordinary into comfort. The gentle breeze reminds us that innovation isn't always flashy. It's about improving life, one detail at a time. HD flexible. Cam zoom in. Observe details you've never noticed before. The HD flexible cam allows precise inspection of books, electronics, or experiments. Connect via HDMI or USB to your TV, projector, or laptop. Toggle filters, illuminate with LEDs, or rotate freely. Compact yet versatile, it transforms desktops into interactive observation stations. Every angle, every color, every detail becomes visible, technology sharpening perception. Boyo Arc Booklight. Late-night reading becomes a cinematic experience. The arc-shaped Boyo booklight illuminates both pages evenly, eliminating glare or shadows. Magnetic clips secure it effortlessly, and brightness adjusts with a touch-sensitive control. Rechargeable or battery-powered, it adapts to any scenario. Books, once passive companions, become luminous portals, engaging readers fully in the narrative. Compact folding knife. Outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and handymen alike need reliability. This folding knife with its razor-sharp steel blade fits on a pocket or keychain. A liner lock prevents mishaps, while design ensures convenience. Practicality meets safety, turning a simple tool into a dependable companion. Portable backyard sauna. Bring wellness to your home in minutes. This portable sauna includes a tent, log-burning stove, and wooden bench. Heat climbs to 200 degrees Celsius, offering relaxation anywhere, from backyard to campsite. When done, it folds compactly, ready for storage or travel. Wellness has never been this accessible or portable. Laptop training. Alarm. Step away confidently. This alarm synchronizes with an app and triggers a loud alert if someone moves your device. Whether in a cafe or co-working space, your laptop remains safe. Technology becomes a guardian, allowing focus without worry. Magic. Pencil. Spectroscopic. Scanner. Discover hidden truths in food and beverages. Point, scan, and instantly see freshness, nutrition, or even wine aging. Replacing multiple detectors, this device turns daily choices into informed decisions. It's science at your fingertips, a revelation in simplicity. Mini projector cinema in your hands. Despite its small size, this projector delivers a 120-inch crisp picture. HDMI, USB, or Wi-Fi connection. Dual 3W speakers, nearly silent cooling, adjustable tripod. Movies, shows, or presentations become immersive experiences anywhere. Makopi Avatar Tracking System. Step into the digital realm. 6 wearable trackers capture movement, transforming it into a virtual avatar. Without expensive equipment, your living room becomes a gateway to the metaverse, where imagination meets reality. Nightlight Charging Station. End charging chaos. This nightlight doubles as a station for phones, watches, and earbuds. Sleek, organized, functional. Technology becomes seamless in everyday life. Scribit Robot Creativity on autopilot. Draw pictures, write text, erase, and redraw endlessly. Connect to your phone to transform walls into dynamic displays. Glass, whiteboard, plaster. It adapts, turning surfaces into interactive canvases. Flowing Whirlpool. Water Enhancer. Water alive. Controlled swirling motion enhances freshness, maintains natural flow, and mesmerizes with aesthetics. Science meets beauty, turning hydration into a mindful experience. Elliptical bike. Running and cycling combined, indoors or outdoors. 8-speed gearing, 250-pound capacity, full body engagement. Gentle on joints, intense on results. A complete cardio experience. Kinky bracelet. Lifesaver. Compact, wearable safety. Inflates underwater to keep you afloat. Equipped with whistle and compass, discreet yet life-saving. Technology meets peace of mind. Pluto. Smart collar. Water safety for all. Detects prolonged submersion. Inflates cushions to keep the head above water. Suitable for kids and adults, reliable, intuitive, and protective. Smart lock. Control access to your home or car. Share temporary codes, grant permanent access, track every interaction via app. Security, simplified, and intelligent. Cyberpunkish luxury watch. A mechanical marvel. 203 components, 39 jewels, designed for enthusiasts. Precision, artistry, and statement combined in a single timepiece. Because the tech world is getting crazier, faster, and stranger every single week. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead. Only here on Gadget Guru.